Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. Today's video is going to feature a variety of bob haircut styles. Here is this beautiful shaggy bob haircut, followed by this beautiful mini bob hairstyle. If you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyle ideas featured within today's video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and of course hit that subscribe button so that you can stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So as we head into 2023, we are going to be seeing tons of variety when it comes to the bob haircuts. The look is really getting a major refresh, and it can be found in the form of layered bob hairstyles, tousled bob, mini bobs, as well as hair color variations. So here we see a gorgeous lob haircut. This one features beautiful bangs in the front. Gorgeous ombre ginger colored hair. And here we have another fresh bob style, and this features beautiful tousled curls as well as a soft reddish brown hair coloring. Next up we have a classic blonde bob haircut. And this bob ends just around the jawline. And then we see another lob. This one features some hair color as well as some beautiful bangs. Here we see another stunning tousled bob, followed by this beautiful lob haircut. And then we have another tousled bob. So if you guys want to see even more inspiring hairstyle ideas, be sure to check out this video next.